Welcome to my channel, guys. Oops, what a mess. 1 second. Yeah. So today's video is about unboxing and review of this grid organizer box which I bought from Amazon. So without much delay, let's get started. But before that, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me if you subscribe. So let's get started. This product is available in Amazon at a price of Rs.220. This is one of the cheapest organizer box available in Amazon. It is having 36 grids and length of this box is 28 cm and width is 15 cm and the depth is 4.5 cm. So there are strips available. Using the strips we can adjust these box sizes. This box is made up of plastic. If you want to store a big item, you can take out one strip and you can easily store it. So these are adjustable dividers. This is the product. Now let's start cleaning this mess up. You can store any small items like earrings, beads, pills, such small items. So I'm going to keep my earrings. For that I'm first keeping some cotton so it will absorb all the oil and moisture. Length of this grid is 4 cm and the breadth around 2.5 cm. The diameter of this hoop is around 4 cm. It can be fitted in this grid easily. Diameter of this hoop is around 5 cm. But this is not fitting in the small grid, so I had to remove one strip so that it fits nicely. So these jhumkas, one of my favorite. Either you can keep separate in 2 grid boxes or you can keep together like this. I think this is the lengthiest earring of mine. It is around 7 to 8 cm. So this also didn't fit in one grid box. So I had to remove one strip to perfectly fit it into this. This box does a good job at keeping the earrings separate. Before it was like I used to keep here and there. But now I got a box to keep all my earrings at one place. Oh, I almost forgot about this. There's a handle for this box. So you want to hang it somewhere, you can do that. So it's a great buy to organize your earrings. Though the material is not that strong, but it does the job. The earrings won't get mixed up even if you turn it sideways. I have mentioned the link to this grid organizer box in the description box below. If you like, you can check it out. Also, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And as I told you earlier, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time with another interesting video. Till then, bye bye.